Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to your one place for all your investing needs. In today's video, we're going to be looking at the top 3 altcoins to buy right now in the middle of November. As you guys can see, the crypto bubbles are starting to look green once again. If you guys have been following the channel, obviously in the past few days, we've talked about this and things were starting to turn red recently, but here in the past 24 hours, we're finally seeing some green with some big gainers here like Gala. Gala is up about 164% here in the past 24, or actually past week or so. Power right here, this one is up 77.9% or so. We have some other big winners like here, LTO Network, which is up 68% or so. We have WAXP, which is up about 74%, and many other green bubbles here that are very green. Obviously, we do have some red ones as well, but it's looking a lot greener than it was just a few days ago. Here in the past 24 hours, the market is making a little bit of a comeback. It is currently up about 1.41%. Our top gainer in the past 24 hours can be GYEN, which is up over 278.79%. Highest volume, like usual, is going to be Bitcoin at 38.8 billion here market cap. Ethereum at 21.4 billion. Bitcoin's up 1.5%, trading around the $60,619 area. Ethereum back to a 4,300 area, up 3.5%. So Ethereum, kind of shaking it off and just continues to go on higher and higher. We have all these other altcoins that are up about 2 or 3% or so. Polkadot making a little bit more move here, 8%. Avalanche up over 15%, breaking through all-time highs once again. The two meme coins here, Doge and Shiba, both up about 1% or so. And many of these other altcoins are up, 5%, with a big winner right here actually being Crow. So this one we've been talking about in the past month or so a lot. And, it's up over almost 50% in the past 24 hours, 78% in the past week, and over 212% in the past month. So if you guys are missing out on content that I'm pushing out, guys, what are you waiting for? Smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes on this video. Subscribe to the channel. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. Thank you guys so much. We just hit 46,000 subscribers. And if you don't want to miss out on gains like Crow right here, make sure you stay subscribed to the channel. Now let's get into this content, guys. So the first altcoin is going to be Cardano, ADA. So ADA right here, trading at $1.90. It is currently up about 3% in the past 24 hours. In the past week, we're down almost 10% from highs of about 215. Obviously, as the market pulled back down, we went to lows of 176. In the past month, we're down about 12%. And then on the 1-year chart, this one is up over 1,716%, as it was trading at around 11 cents last November. From that 11 cents area, we continue to go higher and higher throughout January, February, and even March here. We traded sideways with the next, big boom here into April and May, all the way to highs of 230, making a pullback as the market started to have that flash crash type situation. Bitcoin pulled back down, and so did everything else. We saw it go to under $1 at one point here in July, and from that area, boomed on higher all the way up to about $3, giving you about a 200% upside here in a matter of about 2 months. And now it's pulled back down to about the $2 range, close to the $2 range in the past month or so. So now what we're going to be waiting for is obviously some more consolidation, hopefully bouncing off of a support around here, and then making new highs once again. Currently 63.1 billion market cap on this coin. Volume is at 2.7 billion, down about 13% lower than usual. 70-day typical hold time. It is ranked the number 5 coin, right behind Ethereum, Bitcoin. We have a Solana up there, and even Binance. So 74% buy activity and 26% sell activity. Cardano, if you're not familiar, obviously, is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without, high energy costs. Development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled securities and stability, obviously. So if you're not familiar how Cardano works, well, Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally sustainable blockchain platform. It uses this unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. It's called Outer Bros. Now, as opposed to the energy-intensive proof-of-work system currently used by Bitcoin, now the Cardano blockchain is also, divided into 2 separate layers, the CSL and the CCL. Now, the CSL contains the ledger of accounts and balances. The CCL layer is where all the computation for apps running on the blockchain are executed via the operations of smart contracts. So something to keep in mind, though, with Cardano is the idea of splitting the blockchain into 2 layers is to help the Cardano network process as many as 1 million transactions per second. And if you compare that to Ethereum, actually, it's a lot. And if you compare it to Bitcoin, it's a lot as well, because they're down there in the single digits, double digits. Meanwhile, this one is trying to get into the millions. So Cardano is definitely a coin that dip buying opportunities are always great. And right now we're down about what, about 30% from the highs that we saw recently. So we were close to 100 billion market cap on Cardano, and now we're trading at around a 63 billion market cap. So there's still about a 30% plus upside just to get to those all-time highs once again. So Cardano is definitely a coin we're going to be watching very, very closely in the near future as well. Then we have Avalanche. So the big dog here, Avalanche, AVAX. This one continues to soar, continues to boom, and, break all the barrier, guys. So we continue to talk about it. We talked about it being a momentum play, but it just becomes more serious and serious the longer we're looking at it. So currently, in the past 24 hours, this one is up 15%, trading at $110 per coin. In the past week, we're up about 29%. Past month, 92%. So even if you would have bought in a month ago, you would have doubled your money almost right there. 92% gain. On the 1 year chart, we're up over 2,844% from lows of $3.75, hitting highs here in February at 55. Obviously consolidation and then pull back down to lows of $10. If you would have just held, even if you bought here at the top in February and you would have held, you'd be up 100% right now. But if you bought here in July at the lows of $10 and you held until now, you're up over 900%, almost a 10 bagger right there, which is insane, obviously, in a matter of 3 or 4 months, as it just continues to push on higher and higher. And the market cap keeps on growing higher and higher as well. So 24.2 billion market cap currently on Avalanche, with the volume, exceeding here at 35% higher than usual. 2.4 billion market cap. The typical hold time is actually very low, so traders are in and out of this one very quickly. 7 days, about a week or so. It is ranked the number 10 coin on the ranking. We have 73% buy activity and 27% sell activity. Now, Avalanche obviously describes itself as an open, programmable, smart contracts platform for decentralized applications. AVAX is used to pay for, transaction fees and can be staked to secure the network. So Avalanche is compatible with Solidity, Ethereum's programming language, and can be used to deploy custom private or, public blockchains as subnets. So this coin, we all thought it was going to be just a momentum meme type of situation, but it continues to grow and show us why it's, in the top 10 right now and continues to push on higher and higher. So Avalanche, definitely an interesting coin right here for dip buying opportunities in the future as well. Then we have number 3. Last but not least, Polygon, also known as Matic, a coin we used to talk about a lot here in probably around the April and May time period of 2021. If we take a look here, it's up about 8.5% in the past 24 hours, trading at $1.66. In the past week, we're down about 2%. In the past month, up 14% with highs up here of about $2.22. In the past year, we're up over 9,632%, guys. So this was worth about 1 cent, almost 2 cents in November. Continue to go higher here in March and April. When we were talking about this coin, it was trading at around 30 cents or so here in April time period. From that 30 cents area, we boomed on higher all the way to highs of about almost $3 at one point, about 270. Pulled back down with the market all the way to lows of under 69 cents, and then he shot on higher over 200% upside from July to the high, and now pulled back down a little bit, consolidation time, and we're waiting for that next leg up. So currently 11.5 billion here market cap. Volume is pretty much flat at 1.1 billion. Typical hold time is 71 days, as this is one of those greener, safer coins to hold in my opinion. 66% buy activity and 34% sell activity. Now, for those of you unfamiliar with this one, Polygon is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Now, Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using the layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Now, users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. Obviously, the Matic token is used to pay for transaction fees and participate in a proof of stake consensus. So this coin, one of those greener altcoins that people are interested in. It got a lot of hype here in April and May when Bitcoin and Tesla were having some, going back and forth type situations. The coin, did about a 2x almost, very, very quickly, pulled back down very quickly as well. But this one could be an alternative renewable energy type, coin for the future that is safer for the environment. So Matic is definitely another one we're going to be watching very, very closely, guys. So now let's take a quick look at the rest of the market. Like we said here, Solana's up 2%, trading at 220, close to the all-time highs. The meme coins here, Doge and Shiba, both up about 1 or 2% or so. Doge, as you can see, still trading in the mid-20s, guys. Nothing's changed here in the past 5 months. If you would have bought in June, pretty much, you'd be at the same place right now. You wouldn't have made money. You wouldn't have really lost much. Still at a 31.7 billion market cap. It's not doing anything right now. It's a meme still. So Bitcoin here, on the other hand, up about 1.64%, trading at 60,100 or 619. It hit lows of 58,000 actually, which is crazy. Here in the past week, we're down 6.5% from highs of around 69,000 up here, as you can see on November 10th. So we went down about $10,000 here in a matter of a week, and now we're waiting for the next bounce. So obviously, this was a kind of a healthy pullback, bounced off of that support around this 58 to 60,000 area, which we talked about in the recent videos as well, that we were hoping to bounce off of that area and come back up, which we did. So here, 1.1 trillion market cap, 15% of the crypto market space. Volume is down 11% here at 38.8 billion, and then obviously 72% buy activity and 28% sell activity. Meanwhile, Ethereum making a nice move here, 3.5% higher from lows of 4,000. Now we're at 4,300. This one is down about 6.5%. In the past month, we're up 12.5% though, from highs of 4,800. So Ethereum is only about $300 or $400 away from the all-time highs. Still doing well, a little bit better compared to Bitcoin right now, but another bounce here. Opportunities for dip buying close to the 4,000 area, even a little bit lower. Here, market cap 512.9 billion, which is 7% of the crypto market space. Volume's down 15% at 21.4 billion. We have 74% buy activity and 26% sell activity on Ethereum. We think that obviously, both Bitcoin and Ethereum will bounce back here and continue to push on higher throughout the end of 2021. And I still predict, Bitcoin could possibly hit 70K and Ethereum 5K in the next month and a half. That's my prediction. Obviously, you guys let me know in the comments below what your predictions are for the rest of the year for crypto. As always, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 100 plus likes in this video. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you once again for the 46,000 subscribers, guys. So subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notification so you get notified every time I make a new video. As always, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor and do your own due diligence. Make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed and hope to see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.